how to fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So firstly, go to your run command and open command, but keep this thing in mind, command should be run as administrator. Here type ipconfig/+DNS and hit enter. And after that, type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter and restart your computer again, and this should help to solve the problem. So the next method is to go to view networks connections on Windows, and here select your Ethernet and go to properties, and after that select QoS packet scheduler and click on configure and click on yes. Go to advanced and in the property select fast speed and duplex, and here you can see the value is auto negotiation. Change the value to 100 Mbps half duplex at first and click on OK and restart your computer over your Ethernet, and this should help to solve your problem. But if it is not working, come back to this tab again and change the value to 10 Mbps half duplex and restart your internet connection again, and this should help to solve your problem.